So and such. This can be confusing for people when they're learning English or when they're speaking English. So this is a short video to clarify the difference between them. Okay? We use so with an adjective. For example, it's so cold that I can't go out. And we use such with an adjective and the noun. It's such a cold day that I can't go out. We usually use it with a consequence. It's so cold that I can't go out. Or I'm so tired I have to go to bed, something like that. But we can also use them by themselves. For example, I'm so cold, like an emphasis, or it's such a cold day. Okay, so I hope that clarifies that for you. If you like that, please subscribe for more. I'm Sabrina with Inglés con Kilian. And also you can grab our free ebook to help you improve your English in the link below.